Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. So today we have the new Tusk Enduro Tool Pack. If you've been shopping for a tool pack like this, look no further. We actually designed this one right here at Rocky Mountain from start to finish. There's several riders here at Rocky Mountain that have been using this style of tool pack for a lot of years. And the biggest reason that they like this style that goes around the waist is it just allows you to take all your tools, some additional gear, but it keeps it down low around the waist. It's not up high on your back. Or if you're a rider that maybe has a hydration pack right now, but you don't want to load up all your tools inside the same pack, well, you can run a tool pack like this and your hydration pack and get the best of both worlds. And what's nice too is that when we design a product at Rocky Mountain, we get to take all the feedback, all the experience that we've had, and just take all the features that we want and put it into that product. And that's what you're getting with this tool pack. Now, a couple things right off the bat that really stand out to me about this is one, the build quality. The 1680 denier nylon, super heavy duty, YKK zippers, YKK buckles. And as we go through, you'll see that there is no shortage of pockets and ways to organize your gear inside this tool pack. So starting with the waist belt, nice big wide waist belt, really large buckle here in the front. Now, this waist strap's gonna give you a lot of length. So it's just there to fit a wide variety of different size riders. So do not be afraid once you fit this thing to go and cut off some of that excess length. We've already done it to this one. You just cut it off, then you just wanna burn the edge. You're good to go. After that, you really don't have to do anything. As far as the inside here, you've got this mesh fabric. You also do have some padding here just for some added comfort. Now, as far as pockets go, so start on the outside here on the actual waist belt. So on each side, you're gonna have one of these zipper pockets. You've got some MOLLE webbing right here to attach some additional items. You've got this center strap right here. So if you really have this thing completely filled up and you wanna use that to cinch everything down to keep it nice and snug. But if I open this, you notice that here underneath the flap, you've got this clear vinyl pocket. You've got this zippered pocket right here in the front. And then when we get to the main compartment, open that up, you will see that there is no shortage of elastic webbing inside here to organize and keep your tools nice and secure. So a lot of webbing, again, coming from our experience. We got to say, you know what? How much elastic webbing do we need? Where would we put certain items? And that's exactly what we did when we were making the layout of this tool pack. And like I said, very happy with the way this turned out. You've also got this little zipper pocket right here. Great little location for some nuts, a bolt, or maybe a set of keys. And another cool little feature about this is right here on top is you have this little magnetic strip. We've had times when we're working on bikes trail side, and you've probably experienced this. You put down some nuts and bolts, and sometimes you lose them. It's hard to find, especially if you're doing some night riding. So what's nice about this, if you are doing some bike repair, just take your nuts and bolts, put on this magnet strip, keeps it organized. You don't have to worry about losing those when you are working on the bike. So like I said, overall, very happy with this tool pack. A lot of organization, built really well at a fantastic price. If you have questions or comments, if you want some more feedback, we will give that to you. So leave that down below. To grab yours, it is very simple. You can just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you haven't yet, if you're looking to pick up maybe some tools that you're gonna need for your tool pack, we have some other great videos. We actually go through and show you, all the different items that some of our riders like to take in their tool pack. So if you're looking for good ideas or not quite sure what you should take with you, definitely check out those videos. If you want to stay up to date on videos like this and never miss out, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.